Assalamualaikum. My name is Aleza Binti Baseri. In this video, my character is as Aleza, Maisarah best friend, who is came back from Hong Kong, China, and I have a close contact with her and got COVID-19.
Hi, I am Maisarah. My character is as a virus COVID-19 carrier. I am back from Hong Kong and I'm not quarantining myself before going back to Malaysia. And I am the one who spread the virus to all of my friends.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syazwan Syukri bin Hussin. I'm from BA 1185A. So in this montage, my role is a father to Aleza and also a doctor at the clinic. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nureen Amira Binti Halim. I'm from BA 1185A. In this montage video, my character is a mom and daughter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nureen Maisarah Binti Salimee. I'm from BA 1185A. In this montage video, my character is as news anchor.
Hi, babe.
Hi babe, how are you? I miss you so much.
When are you going home, babe? Can't wait to see you.
That is the reason why I call you. So if you don't mind, can you fetch me tomorrow morning at KLIE? Because I am preparing myself for going back to Malaysia tonight.
Oh, tomorrow I think I'm free, so inshallah I will fetch you at KLIE.
So yeah, if you don't mind, till we meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah, can't wait to see you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Aleza. Hi Aleza.
Hi, Mai. I miss you so much.
Huh? I miss you more. There's something for you.
Oh, this is for me? You don't have to buy me this. By the way, thank you so much for this present. So I think we must have some lunch first, because you owe me a story about Hong Kong.
Yes, I have a lot of story to tell you about Hong Kong. How about our old favorite cafe? I treat you right. Let's go.
Yeah, of course. Hi, mommy. Morning.
Are you okay, dear? You look so ugly.
Ugly.
I'm just joking, honey. I mean, you look not feeling well.
Actually, mommy, since these few days, I feel so tired and I cannot do anything. When I have a fever.
Seriously? Oh, pity you.
See, I told you before, just stay at home. You always go out. You know what? This COVID-19 is very dangerous, you know.
Can you stop scolding me? Can't you see I'm not feeling well? By the way, I'm not going anywhere for this week. Oh.
Except what? Except a few days ago you pick up your friend at KLIE ah. Ayo, you accept.
Yes, but she go to Hong Kong, China for her birthday. Why?
Oh my god. Do you know that, Aleza? The COVID-19 is super duper worse in China?
And now you have the COVID-19 symptoms ah. Huh? Have you touched her or you hug her? Oh my god. Or maybe you share your drinks with her.
Calm down, my dear. Our daughter is sick and we need to do something.
Oh no. Mommy, I'm so scared right now. What if I'm positive COVID-19? Am I about to die?
Can you?
Yes, maybe you will die because you are very, very stubborn.
Don't worry, my dear. Just get some rest first, okay?
Yeah, I think I want to get some rest.
Can you pass me the remote, please?
Can you just take it by yourself?
Can you guys stay silent? I can't hear anything.
Thank you.
The first case of COVID-19 was reported in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The recent outbreak of COVID-19 has left many of us worried and scared about our own health.
COVID-19 is a type of coronavirus that causes an infection that is now spread all over the world. There are a lot of kinds of coronaviruses. Most cause the common cold, but other coronaviruses are more serious. COVID-19 is new and hasn't been seen in people before. And for some people, it can become serious and dangerous. COVID-19 spreads person to person through droplets from coughing and sneezing. It can also spread when you are close to someone who is infected. It may be spread when you touch something that has the virus on it, such as a doorknob or countertop. Most people have only mild symptoms or even none at all. Symptoms can include a cough, a fever, and shortness of breath. When COVID-19 is severe, it can make it hard to breathe without help.
COVID-19 can overtake the SARS and MERS viruses in regard to number of people killed and also infected. Stay safe and protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using hand sanitizer frequently and not touching your face.
Can I borrow your car?
You better take care of my car, eh?
Yes, sure.
Okay, Mom, I'm ready.
Of course you're ready, because this is all your fault, you know.
What? I didn't say anything. Mom, coming. Hi, Assalamualaikum, hi nurse. I just want to do some check-up because I'm not feeling well.
Sure, have a seat. Before that, have you gone somewhere which is a risk place?
Oh no, but I just met my friends and she just came back from Hong Kong, China. So how?
Oh, you need to do a swab test. But for a while, try to stay 1 meter from the others.
Oh, alright then, thank you.
Okay, miss. The swab test is done, but from my observation, you have the symptom of COVID-19. But it is not sure yet whether it is just a fever or it is the virus of COVID-19.
Oh, I see. So, when can I get my result, doctor?
Okay, 3 days from now, we will call you back for the result. If it is positive, we will call you and you need to be ready because we will take you with ambulance to the hospital for further treatment. But for now, in 3 days, you need to be quarantined yourself and stay in your room separately from your family. Okay?
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Thank you so much, doctor.
Alright.
By the way, can I ask you something?
Yes, what is?
Am I about to die?
No! We will try our best to help you. Don't worry, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello?
Hello? Yes?
Can I speak with Miss Aleza?
Yes, I am. Aleza speaking.
I'm Dr. Syazwan from Hospital Kuala Lumpur. We just want to tell you about your swab test. Your result is positive, so Miss, we need you to be ready because we will bring you to the hospital today.
Oh, really?
Yes, Miss, and I also need your family and whoever have a close contact with you to do the swab test as soon as possible.
Okay, doctor. I'll prepare myself. Thank you for the info. Alright, thank you so much, doctor. Mom, Dad, guys, my friend Maisarah is dead because of COVID-19.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.
Just a short reminder to all of you who is watching this video. You can go anywhere during this PKPB, but after you came back home, you cannot just go straight to see your loved one, with either to hug them or anything, but just go straight to take a bath and wash your clothes. After that, you can see them. Remember, we can go through this together.
Don't forget to wear your mask and remember, #kita jaga kita.
Practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large group of people.
Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others to reduce your risk of infection when they cough, sneeze and speak. Even maintain a greater distance between yourself and others when indoors. The further away, the better.
So during this pandemic, when you want to go out to shopping mall, to grocery store, please wear your mask. And also always sanitize your hand with hand sanitizer to prevent from the COVID-19 virus. So stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.